Hello and welcome to my Sunday From. So today I'm here at Kroger and I'm just gonna check out the sales. I was just at home bored and I was like, let me go and see if there's anything that I can find. So far I see this coleslaw dressing on sale. Spicy Southern. Oh, I love that stuff. It's $1.89. So there's a lot of sales for healthy foods. And this alfalfa tastes so good in salad. This cauliflower on sale $157. Okay. And the mushrooms on sale $3.25. Another thing I wanted to get was something like strawberry jam or something good like that. The grape jelly is like $1.99. These brioche buns are $1.89. I might get those because I need bread so bad. But I think bread sounds just fine. Wheat bread. And I usually get that one. It's $1.19. Over here, you see really good sales sometimes. But I'm not good on seafood, which is awful right now. Because it's like seafood season. Because it went. So far, those are pretty good deals. $5. I like the $1.89 bologna because I'm sticking to my diet, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick up some cheese. And then the bread clearance is usually worth it. This one's $2 for a pack of cookies. Oh, croissant. $2.20. $2 for some half dozen. That's a pretty good deal. Which is this? $2.25 for these. I don't know, I'm trying to stay healthy right now. But what is this? Oh my gosh. Guys, subscribe to me so I can make my cake. This is $1. I'm thinking I'm gonna make soup with that. It has okra in it. My favorite cereal. I don't know, cause like the ones without sugar give me a tummy ache that early, and the ones with a lot of sugar hurt my teeth. I'm so picky in the morning. But look at these big bags. That's the bag. $2.99. So here's the beans. I ordered beans, but I want the white beans. Dry ones. I think I should buy dry ones. Look at this. $3.79 for 4 packs. So I'm just gonna go check out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe. My Sunday From. Bye-bye.